Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Cryptocurrency Group Pro Charts. How's everybody doing? Hope you guys are doing good for a Monday. Wow, what a day it was today at the open for NVIDIA. NVIDIA, you can see this candle. The battle was on right over here at the open today, this morning. Oh man, buyers and sellers couldn't. It was a tug of war here, folks. Tug of war. You can see indecision candle right here. Oh man, it came down. It broke through the neckline that I was talking about in my prior video here. It broke through the neckline here, but you could see where the resistance right here. It caught the resistance. By the way, this is a 1 hour chart. So caught the resistance here, knocked it back down, and the buyers and sellers got exhausted. The tug of war stopped. The next candle opened right here, and boom, wow. Still found resistance at this upper trend line. Still found this resistance. Came down close, close enough for the neckline for showing support here on the neckline, showing support. And you can see the bullish candles. It wasn't that much of a pump. I mean, if this volume was a lot higher, it would have broke through and sailed up. It would have been up here. But it was just enough to close above this upper trend line. And by closing, it barely closed above it. By closing up on this upper trend line, the bulls had it under control, and you can see this candle here. Boom, pow! It popped. It popped, and then afternoon, you can see right here the sellers came in, and you can see it's this candle here where the sellers came back in, the bears came back in, trying to knock it down, couldn't get it. We had the momentum there, and on the close today, 139.66. 139.66. After hours trading at 39.25 for after hours. So slightly down. Let's look at the 4 hour chart. And you can have a better look on the 4 hour chart. Here's mid-morning. The battle was on right here. It closed above the upper trend line. You can see that. We got a nice sweet bounce. But couldn't the volume right here wasn't there this afternoon. Was not there this afternoon. Now the volume was up here, but where this candle is right here, this volume here, if it was up there, we would have closed at 140. 141 we would have closed. So what's going on for tomorrow? How is this looking? My prediction is caution. Use caution now. Now, right here, you can see the loss of momentum this afternoon right here. So by losing momentum right here, the bears might come back in and bring it back down to 136.55. So I would use caution. You can see right here, right at this level at 139.66, it got rejected right here. And you can see right here, it got rejected. Couldn't make it up here, got rejected all the way down to 128. So this is another key level of resistance. Let's put this on the chart here for you folks. Right at this top wick here. There you go. Make that a thin red line so you can see it right there. There's our resistance. I'm telling you, NVIDIA has a battle in this area. I was telling in my last video, it's the battle. I wish there was more volume here to close at 141, 140. Then we would have just started stair-stepping it back up to 147. 147. So it's tomorrow morning. Use caution, because Wednesday, like I said, market's closed on Wednesday. Use caution. It might, what happened here the last couple times, it held for resistance and knocked it back down. I was just hoping this, after it broke this upper trend line, that it would rocket ship up at least 140, 141, but it hasn't. It hasn't. It's at 139.66, and you see the post here. It's down 20 some cents right now at the post. So let's look at CH22 chart, CH22, and you can see it right here. I'll make it a little bigger for you folks. And you can see it out here, my 618, we beautiful tagged this and had a nice bounce up. Nice move up. This red box is the buying zone. The buyers were in here today to get this stock moving upwards, and it did move upwards on this chart here. 137, it broke 137. That was resistance. And it's above the 50. It's above the 50. Bullish. This chart's telling me nothing but bullish. Bullish. And I got this at 144, 145 for resistance. Right here at this level here on this chart. CH22. So this chart here is telling me that it's bullish momentum. My Fisher here, you can see the volume right here, once again low. See the Fisher, it kicked from the bottom, kicked up. It's showing bullish. Bullish, all the way to the top, bullish, to the top. It just, this volume right here, I would like to see it being higher, like about this height, but with lost momentum. See, I was losing momentum. That's why I'm for tomorrow, use caution. I mean, this chart here is showing bullish. Indicator showing bullish momentum. But my other chart, my CH21 chart is showing cautions as we have resistance at 140.17. So for tomorrow, folks, use caution. RSI is ticking up. Everything's showing bullish except my DMI. My DMI is still, there's fear in the market. So it could go either or, just like I mentioned it on Sunday in my last video. Could go either or. It's still the fears of the market. My OBAV showing bullish momentum. RSI showing bullish momentum. It's bullish. It's going up to 140.17. Let's break that 140.17 to see next week. 147 for NVIDIA. It's just we got above this trend line. That's what we're looking for. Got above this trend line. Get rid of that trend line. We don't need it. So let's see tomorrow. Use cautious. 140.17 at resistance. Hopefully we can break through that. And see 147. And see 147. All right, folks, please hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment below. Have a great day.